I do like a good bundle where you get lots of courses or products at a much reduced price. And recently I came across BundleFoundry. It looks a pretty good offer, so I thought I'd take a look and share my thoughts. Links to the bundle are in the description. It is an affiliate link, but I'm going to give you my honest review of the courses within this bundle. So first of all, what do you get? Well, there's different tiers, so different prices, and you can see the prices on the right-hand side there. If I go to the free tier, you can actually sign up and get this free course. I took a look at that course. It's not too bad. It's a bit dated in terms of the actual software they're using, but the techniques are still valid, so it's a good course. So I would certainly go and get this free course. Then we've got tier 1, which is only £14. They've got lots of environment courses in here. They're using different software, like this one is actually Blender. I think it's quite an old version of Blender though. So if you are a beginner, then you might want to learn the actual interface and the software the most up to date. But these courses are still useful in terms of the techniques that they employ. And yes, there's lots of environment courses in here. It's very useful stuff. This one is the one I'm most interested in. It's creating advanced trim sheet textures for games. I had a look at this one. It's decent. The workflow is good. Yes, again, it's Maya this time instead of Blender. They've got Substance Painter, Unreal, Photoshop, Marmoset Toolbag. So these are all industry tools. Again, it's more about the techniques they're using because they are older courses, and this is common that they bundle older courses together and sell them off for cheap, but the actual content is really good. Then you've got tier 2, and we're getting quite a lot of detail here. You've got a character course in there now as well. You've got a little bit more sculpting with ZBrush. And there's 16 products in total. Then there's tier 3, which is 29 products. And there's a huge amount here. It's a tiny bit more expensive at £44 compared to something like Humble Bundle, but there's more on offer here, I would say. And the quality is really high in these courses I've taken a look through. They have got that slightly annoying non-edited approach. So it's someone that's really good at their field. They've got a good understanding of the industry and the techniques, but they just kind of talk at you and lecture at you. So rather than what I would do in my courses, I would edit out all my slight mistakes and things like that, make it a little bit more methodical. They just kind of teach as if they were in a classroom. It's not necessarily a bad thing. It just means the courses are probably slightly longer than they need to be in some cases. But that's something that's really common with most courses that are from industry professionals that aren't teachers as such. I guess it's worth pointing out that there is a mystery tier. I'm never sure about these sort of things. So this mystery tier here, and if you go to the mystery tier, it's revealed after checkout. Perhaps if anybody out there buys the mystery tier, then you could comment below whether you thought it was worth it or not. It's the sort of thing I don't particularly like. It reminds me of loot boxes in games. I'm not really a fan of those sort of things, but well, you let me know what you think. So all in all, I think this is a great bundle, great offer. I'm still going through the courses and enjoying the content, learning a few new things. So I think it's well worth it. Do let me know your thoughts in the comments below, whether you think bundles are a good idea, whether you don't like the fact that they're older software, that type of thing. I am really interested to hear what people are saying about this. So, yep, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.